Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Before we dive into today's incredible coin story, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF because what you're about to hear might completely change the way you look at the coins in your pocket forever. Picture this for a moment, a quiet afternoon. Maybe you're sitting with a cup of tea, sorting through old drawers, or checking that forgotten jar of coins sitting in the corner of your room. Most people would glance at those coins and see nothing more than small change. But for someone with a sharp eye and a little knowledge, that same pile could be hiding something truly special. Today, we're talking about one of those coins that often gets ignored, yet has the power to surprise even experienced collectors, the 1964 Lincoln Memorial penny. Now, let's set the scene properly. The year 1964 was a fascinating time in American coin history. It was a period when coin production was at its peak due to rising demand, and the Denver Mint was working tirelessly to keep up. The D Mint mark on this penny tells us it was struck in Denver, and millions upon millions of these coins entered circulation. Because of that, most people assume this coin is common and not worth a second look. That assumption, however, is where opportunity begins. The Lincoln Memorial design, introduced in 1959, had already become familiar to the public by 1964. On the front, you have the calm and thoughtful portrait of Abraham Lincoln, a symbol of strength and unity. On the back, the Lincoln Memorial stands tall, representing history, dignity, and legacy. It's a simple design, yet deeply meaningful. But what truly makes certain 1964 pennies stand out is not just their design, it's the hidden details that most people never notice. You see, not all coins are created equal, even when they look the same at first glance. Small variations during the minting process can turn an ordinary coin into something rare and valuable. These variations can include minting errors, unusual strikes, or exceptional preservation. And this is exactly where the 1964 Lincoln Memorial penny becomes interesting. Imagine a coin that was struck slightly off-center, or one where the design appears doubled due to a minting misalignment. These are not mistakes in the negative sense in the world of coin collecting. They are treasures. Collectors actively search for these rare features, and when they find them, the value of the coin can increase dramatically. Now let's talk about condition, because this is where many hidden gems are found. Most coins from 1964 have been used, handled, scratched, and worn down over decades. But every now and then, a coin survives in near-perfect condition. These are called uncirculated coins, and they can look almost as fresh as the day they were minted. The shine, the detail, the sharpness, everything stands out. For a collector, finding a 1964 Lincoln Memorial penny in such condition is like discovering a piece of history frozen in time. And when you combine that with a rare error or unique feature, the value can climb higher than most people would ever expect. Let's pause for a second and think about something important. Why do people, especially experienced collectors in the age group of 55 to 65 and beyond, feel such a deep connection to coins like this? It's not just about money. It's about memories. It's about holding something that has traveled through decades, passed from hand to hand, witnessing countless moments in history. Coins are silent storytellers. They don't speak, but they carry stories within them. And when you hold a coin from 1964, you're holding a piece of that era, a time of change, growth, and transformation. Now here's where things get truly exciting. While most 1964 pennies are worth only a small amount, certain rare examples have been valued at astonishing levels. And today's featured coin has been estimated at a value of $4,116. Yes, you heard that right. A coin that many people overlook could actually be worth thousands. But here's the catch, not every 1964 penny will reach that value. The key lies in identifying the right features. You need to look closely at the mint mark. Check for clarity and position. Examine the surface for unusual patterns or doubling. Pay attention to the edges, the shine, and the overall condition. Collectors often use magnifying tools to inspect coins carefully. Even a tiny detail can make a huge difference. A slight variation that might seem insignificant to the untrained could be the very thing that makes a coin rare. And this is where your journey begins. You don't need to be an expert to start. All you need is curiosity and patience. Start by checking your own coins. Look through old collections, family boxes, or even coins you receive in daily transactions. You never know what might be hiding in plain sight. Let me share a thought with you. Many valuable coins have been discovered not by professional collectors, but by ordinary people who simply decided to take a closer look. Someone like you, sitting at home, deciding to examine a coin instead of ignoring it. That small decision can lead to something extraordinary. Now imagine the feeling of discovering a coin worth $4,116 in your own collection. The excitement, the disbelief, the realization that something so small could hold such value. That's the magic of coin collecting. But beyond the value, there's something even more rewarding: the knowledge you gain along the way. Every coin teaches you something new. Every discovery adds to your understanding. And over time, you begin to see coins not just as objects, but as pieces of history and art. As we come closer to the end of this journey, let's reflect on what we've learned. The 1964 Lincoln Memorial penny is more than just a coin. It's an opportunity. It's a reminder that value often hides beneath the surface, waiting for someone to notice. The next time you come across a penny, don't dismiss it. Take a moment. Look closely, because that small coin in your hand could be worth far more than you ever imagined. And remember, today's highlighted coin